Welcome to this. Oh shit, that was too far. I'm not really good at this. Getting it right. Okay, let's try forward. Nope. Forward. Unboxing. I purchased the Nano 8s finally. So I've been doing CrossFit since January and I've only been wearing my trainers. Everyone's been advising against that, but I finally purchased some trainers from Reebok. The new Nano 8s. A lot of people in the gym have got them. So I thought if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me. So let's have a look at them. So these were just released, the colours, well, it said new anyway on the website. So I went for, I can't even see it, there. Nope, nope, there. So I went for the red, blue and white ones. So that's what they look like. Pretty. Very nice. That's the sole. There. Tongue. Inside they've got this like lining, as you can see. That's reflective at the back. That reflects as well. I have taken a photo and put it on my Instagram post, which is DazJ CrossFit, if you want to follow me on that. And that all shines up. In fact, I'll put the picture in now. So yeah, that's what you're looking at. You get some free tissue as well. It's always a bonus. Oh yeah, let's have a look. See the light. Pretty solid in the heel. Reflects, nice and easy for running. I did get another colour as well because I thought if you're going to buy one, why not buy two? And that one is this box. I really need to practice on that. This box. Good enough. So, these are the green ones, which I've already had out. I wore them yesterday and did a WOD in those. Which absolutely destroyed me. I had like farmer's carries in, things like that. They felt really stable doing front squats and doing power cleans, as well as really comfortable and light on your feet for like toes to bar and things like that. So again, same. There's no reflection, long reflective there on that, but they are, as you can see, really nice. Laces, these were really comfortable. Again, the lining. Yeah, it's nice and sweet. So, flexible, moving, you know. Highly recommend. £100 they were, or $99.95 from the website. I ordered them the Monday, was it? I ordered them on Monday. They came Tuesday. I ordered the wrong size, or they sent me the wrong size. And we'll go with it was them and not me, because that makes more sense to me. Don't make me look stupid. So yeah, they sent me the wrong size, so I've sent those back and ordered these again in the right size, but then I saw the red ones. So obviously I got both, because why wouldn't you get both? It just makes sense to get both. So those are the two additions to my CrossFit life. As I said, I've been using trainers, but finally invested in some decent shoes. I'll give it a couple of months, or a month, 4 weeks say, of training in them. I'll do another review. But as you can see, they look really nice. They're really comfortable and very reasonably priced for the quality. So that's it from this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, subscribe. Throw a comment in there if you want to ask any questions about the trainers or anything. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.